Show Me China has taken us to so many places where we tasted delicious cuisine and met lovely people and yeah, animals too. Miranda, where are we going this time?
Wow, now here we are. Today, I'll take you to one of the most beautiful cities in China, Suzhou.
Wow.
And we're going to spend the Mid-Autumn Festival in Suzhou.
Awesome! Suzhou sounds familiar.
Isn't it the city that the famous Italian explorer Marco Polo found similar to his hometown?
Correct. Suzhou, the Venice of the East. When Marco Polo visited the 13th century, the canals that run through Suzhou reminded him so much of his hometown that he dubbed Suzhou the Venice of the East. To this day, Suzhou's complex network of canals and waterways carry local life and commerce across the city.
Wow, it looks like this whole city is built along a riverbank.
Yeah.
I can't believe Marco Polo visited this place 700 years ago.
And the most exciting thing is, it's Mid-Autumn Day. Do you guys know Mid-Autumn Day?
中秋节我知道. The Mid-Autumn Festival is important in China and also celebrated throughout Asia.
Yeah.
So, Miranda, what are we doing in Suzhou for the Mid-Autumn Festival?
A lot of traditions. What do you guys prefer?
I'd really like to follow what Marco Polo did in Suzhou hundreds of years ago. Is that possible?
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Let me see.
Oh, here's another boat.
What is he doing here?
Wait,
See?
what?
That one.
Hello.
That is a traditional martial art called the boat fist style. It was passed on from generation to generation by fishermen. It used to be played on boat. The boat fist style is known for amazing balancing skills.
I want to learn.
Okay, go ahead.
师傅怎么称呼您？
我姓吴。
吴师傅您好。
你好，你好。
那吴师傅啊，我刚才看您耍的特别厉害，能教我几招吗？
好的呀，我们这一个拳的品种就叫传拳嘛。
传拳
在船头上打拳，传拳讲究的就是下盘要稳一点。
下盘要稳。
对，下面我教你几个动作，试试看。
好啊。哎呦，这个好沉啊！那老师拿起来这些重的东西，我看您那个底盘特别稳，我能不能推您下船？
好。
哎。
Wow, that's a little too much for me. I wonder if we could try something just a little more gentle.
Well, maybe we can try the Suzhou silk embroidery. It's very graceful and delicate. Look, this is embroidery art shop. Wow, here, look at there.
哇，好多颜色呀。
Yes, this is the color card for the embroidery thread, just like the color palette for paintings.
You know what I noticed? That no two colors are exactly the same.
Yes, there's so many colors.
Yeah, and all of them are so shiny.
Arts, beautiful arts.
You know, I can really appreciate this. Actually, when you look close, you see these ducks? Ducks are made out of thread.
Suzhou's silk embroidery, or suxiu, was listed as National Intangible Cultural Heritage in China since 2006. Yao Jianping is one of the inheritors of suxiu. 姚老师，您好，你好，能跟我们讲一下您们现在做什么吗？
我们在分丝，
要分多少？
我们这个苏绣是讲究精致，这个精致呢，就是跟这根手头上的这根线有关系。这一根线我们要分成1/64才穿针来做。现在你看这朵花颜色从高光到这边，它慢慢的印了，慢慢的印了。这里边呢，它有个虚实关系。比如说你在这个位置，它稍微要厚，也相对来说线条我们可以用1/16。到了这里就是1/64，它渐渐的变，渐渐的变。这朵荷花实际上你看上去颜色就是好像并不丰富， 那真的它已经有4套颜色，4套，每一套里边有18个，这些颜色就逐渐过渡，然后根据你的要求来进行分丝曲线，曲线的多少，你在不同的方向，你这样看，跟头这样看，它的视觉是不同的。
So, do you guys want to learn it?
Yes, of course.
当然了，
他们想学一下。
那好啊，我们还有体验的课程呢。哎，欢迎大家去体验一下。
欢迎各位朋友来体验我们苏绣绣卡。因为是中秋节嘛，所以我们选了这个月亮的图案，大家可以一起打开。
Just the thread. Just open it.
Yep. This is the tricky part.
这个好精致啊！对，现在我们开始穿针啊，这个是很重要的一部分。
啊，我穿过去了。
哦，棒棒的。哎，对，哇，这个很地道，是的。
Let the teacher help you.
OK.
Okay. Yeah. Great.
然后我们在这个尾部要打个结。
Yep.
打个结。
Knock it.
Okay.
下一步是啥呀？
下一步我们就开始绣了。我们绣的这个针法呢叫十字绣，这个针法叫做十字绣。
Cross stitch.
Yeah. 然后我们拿到这个绣片，拿到这个绣片，我们开始。
Oh, high five! This is the first time for us to do the Suzhou embroidery.
And the teacher is excellent.
Thank you. So Miranda, you still haven't taken me to eat mooncake.
Oh, I'm gonna take you guys to learn how to make mooncakes.
Wow, well, Miranda, I have made mooncakes before, and I'm really good at this. I think I could win.
Really? Don't be so sure, because this time we're going to learn the Suzhou style mooncake. 徐师傅你好。
你好。
我们3个想过来跟您学一下苏式月饼。
可以啊，你们先去做下准备。
好的。
我今天教你们做的是我们清水玫瑰，里面有松仁、瓜子仁、糖冬瓜、玫瑰花。
玫瑰花瓣。
啊，我现在就开始做啊。
这是揉馅儿是吗？
这揉馅。
Interesting。
是我能来试试吗？
可以，来。
哦，这个会不会染色？
不会。
我的手会不会变成玫瑰花？不行。
蒸好的嗦粉。
然后看来还是有很多不同的工序哈。
It doesn't look like this will turn into a mooncake, does it? Let me knead it.
往前面这样搓。对，我们馅料弄好了，这样把它收紧，把馅料塞进去之后，这样把它收起，把上面多余的部分掐掉，然后贴上纸，然后敲上章。
Now we can try.
你们都包好了之后，是吧？我们苏式月饼呢，上面有个习俗，后面呢要粘上一张纸条，防止它那个炸口。包的地方呢有炸口。中秋节了，我们呢包好之后呢，每个人都可以写上自己的祝福语，写在这个纸条上面。
好的。
Canglang Pavilion is the oldest of the UNESCO gardens in Suzhou, built in 1044, keeping its original Song Dynasty layout.
Jong May, let's take a moonlight walk.
You sound really happy about this Moonlight Walk. What's so special about it?
Well, it's 走月亮 is a tradition for the girls in Suzhou on the Mid-Autumn Day, so I'm thinking maybe we can race to the garden.
Wait.
Huh?
Wait, not so fast. 走月亮 is for girls to get more good luck while walking under the moonlight. So that means we have to walk very slowly.
Oh no, you cheat again. Wow, our mooncake's ready.
Wow. And a message, of
Yeah.
course.
Oh, a secret message.
It's mine.
My own secret message.
You know, I wonder what was Marco Polo's message in a mooncake when he was sitting under this exact pavilion.
Wow, yeah.
I think he wanted to marry a Chinese beauty.
No, I think he wanted to meet the emperor of the Yuan dynasty.
No, I think he wanted to go back to Italy and become really famous.
No. He probably wanted to buy and sell Chinese silk and get rich off of it. I think he was a merchant, right?
No, I think maybe he wanted to stay in China and start a family here.